sometimes I ain't got no choice though.
I feel that.
Take a person's word, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Do a benefit of the doubt kind of thing. Like you take the person's word and stuff like this.
Well, I mean, honestly, it just depends on the person. But I mean, I feel like, I don't know, I just tell people how it is anyway.
Exactly, but see, I can tell you honest and everything, like.
Yeah, I just tell it how it is.
That's how you get your business, bro. That's how you get more customers. That's how you have people come returning to you. The whole nine, bro. You trying to get over, like, what we going to do business?
That's literally how it should be when you buy it. It shouldn't be like, you shouldn't really have to be different to it.
Exactly, bro. Exactly. And that's how I be trying to get all my used cars. Like, since I bought them as used cars, I be trying to get it up to that par, like, for real, bro. For real. Let me see what it is. I ain't gonna lie, but they smoke this kind of skinny, bro.
They say it's gonna smoke. Had to take the cool out. Shit, they gonna charge you too much anyway.
I know a black nigga cool like you, bro. Ronnie, you know what I'm saying? Know how to use their hands, bro, because it's this what you can.
Yeah.
Everybody can't do it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Everybody can't take these boys, bro. Like, how you get all in their hands, everybody can't do it, bro. I appreciate it, bro.
Appreciate you. I'm sure about that part with the transmission too. It sounds like it's. Replacing the transmission line is a lot easier than replacing the transmission.
Yeah. That smoke right there, like how it was smoking from that day.